ELI language games, play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on grammar revision and practice. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: dominoes, bingos, card games, board games. Board game, Preposition Island, A1 level. Language goals are the learning and practice of prepositions of place in sentences and general vocabulary expansion. The box contains a beautifully illustrated board of Preposition Island. The opposite side of the board is very useful for revising the prepositions. A pack of 66 cards. 58 illustrated character cards reproducing the characters with a sentence to locate them on the board. 8 preposition cards. 60 golden doubloons. Fold up the playing board. Place the 8 preposition cards face up, well visible on the table. Place the gold coins on a side. This is the treasure to hunt. Shuffle the character cards and place them face down on the table. Preposition Island can be played individually or in a team. Players take turns picking a character card. Once a card is picked, the player must look for the corresponding character on the board and then complete the related sentence using the right preposition. For each correct sentence, a golden doubloon is collected from the treasure. The game ends when there are no cards left in the deck. The winner is the player or team collecting the most doubloons. The teacher's booklet with the game rules is included in the box and also downloadable from the website. The booklet contains the solutions to the sentences and other ideas for extra fun activities like treasure hunt, all aboard, let's sail to Preposition Island. ELI language games. The more you play, the more you learn.